Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to share Instagram posts on Snapchat, how to send posts to your friends or maybe to yourself, and also how to put it on your Snapchat story. So the first thing that we have to do obviously is go to the post, three dots here, and what we can do is first let's send this post to our friends. So what we can do is we can go here and we can click share, and then after we click share, we can go here down below and click on Snapchat. Then once you click on Snapchat, what you can do is you can send this to, for example, I'm going to send it to myself. You can send this to your friends, right? And then we can click OK here. And now, as you can see, it's sent. We can go to chat and we can see building solutions here. We can see that this is how it looks like when we share in the chat. Now let's do it on our story. So let's go back to back to this post. So what we can do here is, for example, if we want to, for example, share this post, right? What we can do is we can actually screenshot the post right here. We can screenshot it. Then what we can do is we can go to three dots. We can copy the link. Now we can go back to Snapchat here. We can go here to the camera roll right here, camera roll. And then we can click on the post, right? And then obviously what we can do is we can go here and we can add links, right? Here where it says add link, or where it's basically like an icon to add link, you can click here and you can paste the link here and you can click on the search here. And that will search up the Instagram post. Then we can click attach to snap here, and that will attach this Instagram post to your Snapchat story. Then you can click next and you can obviously post the story, right? We can click next, and then obviously we can add this to our story. Okay, add it to our story, and now it's added to our story. So this is basically how to share Instagram posts on Snapchat, both in the DMs and as well as on your stories, so that anyone can click on your Instagram post. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, comment if you have any questions or if this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.